Hi, Mark Clegg here. Welcome into the studio, and we're photographing with the amazing Olivia all day. And we've got a little bit of time spare for our 4 o'clock slot, as it were. So basically, Brandon, that's our video guy, or at present, he might be fired tomorrow, but you never know. We had the kind of the bedroom set things, and I said, well, we haven't even kind of used these in a while. He said, well, we haven't, but they've been there. I was like, well, okay, so bring them in. So I've left the netting up from the last shoot, and even though we got the daylight coming through, it's great now. 20 minutes before we began to think about this, there wasn't any real daylight coming through, so we've got a speed light ready in case. Just on screen here, you can see Olivia and I were just going through a few little ideas of what we can physically do. So we're looking at a kind of a silhouette-y kind of shot, as well as we'll kind of bring some speed light in as well. The figure on the right hand side is not praying, that's Brandon trying to hide some cables from the actual lamp. Originally when we first set up though, we actually had a light on each side, but we're going to use this as really a posing prop for Olivia, so she can kind of use it for balance, creativity, and I think it makes a really great, almost kind of silhouette-y kind of photograph and things really. So we're going to just do a little bit of a development, okay? So we've kind of done a few shots, but I said stop, let's shoot it live, and we'll kind of work on it together as we go through. So I thought it was a good way for you to actually be able to see how my brain thinks and how we develop from one kind of pose to another, whatever it is. Anyway, enjoy the film. Olivia, get on set, you. Okay, so I'm using a 24-105 lens. We're at f4. We're at 125th at f4, which is to kind of give us this silhouette from behind. Let me just show you a quick shot. So this is near silhouette. If I want to underexpose it, I can, but pretty much I'm there. So from here alone, if you just pop this hand onto the side, open the legs fully for me a minute. Okay, and pop this hand onto here. Okay, so straight away, what we're trying to do is create shape and dynamic. If we really want to actually show who it is, we've got to show the profile of the face. So Olivia, either look right or left, that's it. So straight away, whatever we're doing, we know that in silhouette, we have to actually show the shape. This hand, bring it down onto the hip more. That's lovely there, and do the same face again. Bring the hand onto the edge of the actual unit for me more, this one, that's lovely there. Can you stand square on with the actual feet and separate? That's good, just there again, head again to the turn. Okay, so you kind of get the idea of what we're going to be doing, all right? So in the same way though, if I just quickly, and I mean quickly, just put the speed light on, I allow the communication, let's just test it's going to work. Can you look that way as well for me? So this is going to add, if I want, light onto the actual side of the face and the side of the body, if we want it on at any stage. And that's just that simple little speed light in there in TTL mode. I'm switching it off though. Right, let's go through a simple set of images. So we're back in silhouette, so no looking at me at all, right? Let's pop the hand onto the top of the light as if you're there. Just pop your hat on, look that way, that's lovely. Great, just touch the edge of the light, that's lovely. Can you look in as if you're actually looking down both, that's lovely. Use both hands, that's good, just there. Great, let's turn the body to the side, so both feet together, profile, and leaning in. Pop the hands onto the bottom of the lean in again. Push the bum out a little bit more. Cock a leg back, either one, or left or right, that's lovely, and much higher. And now lean in more with the head, that's lovely, and relax. Okay, let's swap the whole pose and just do it to here. So just rest on the edge first, no, a gentle one first, so just together. Perfect profile with the feet together first for me. That's lovely. Come pretty close to it, so you're almost stood upright. That's lovely. And no, just stand upright for me, no poking out your bum, yeah. Look up high for me, darling, yeah. That's lovely, it's there, let's do it. Push the body in towards the unit more, lean back with the head more, darling. That's lovely. Almost grip the edge of the one edge so you don't fall. And now lean back as much as you can and relax, whoa. So let's go into the leaning pose. So we'll still keep on, no, keep there where you are for a minute. And we'll just kind of cock a leg. So looking again, profile, stand up tall, sucking in, lower the head down more. It's lovely. Bury the head down to the full on. Go, 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 go. Leg up higher. Push that foot onto the other table for me. That's lovely there, it's good. Use both hands on the forearms to rest onto there. That's lovely. Let's do it again. Can you move the foot up higher, away from? That's lovely, like that. Head, bury the head for me again. Love it. Okay, both feet to the ground again. Let's push the bottom out, yeah, and actually really lean. Oh, I like that a lot. I didn't mean that, but that's better than I thought. Okay, now behave. I'm supposed to be the one who's doing the good poses. Love it. All right, so let's do the same thing, but just push the bottom out. Bury the head again for me. Push the bum right out for me. More, 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 more. More if you can, darling. That's lovely. Raise the front knee up higher. That's lovely. And again, it's gorgeous. Almost pull the full weight, pulling that towards you. Push the bum out more if you can, darling. Great, relax. So let's lean on here again and just put the foot, no, stand up for me. Let's put the foot on there now. Yeah, facing me. Put the foot up there. That's lovely. Look that way though again. That's gorgeous, it's there. Can you lean onto this arm without falling over, and just bring the hand up to here again? That's lovely. Push the hand away, or the arm away a little bit more so I can see your face. There you go, it's lovely. And again, and again. Swap the legs. This, even though we can't see any groin, it's a kind of a safety kind of position. That's lovely there, let's do it again, it's lovely. And again, relax. So we get actually a slimmer bottom in the first pose and things with it. Let's, again, let's lean both arms back onto here. Look forward once more. That's lovely. Lean the head back. Push the bum up. That's lovely. Lean back more if you can, darling. Lean back towards here. It's lovely, it's there. Mouth closed. Get a foot up on the front of the other one. Or let's go halfway, that's it. That's lovely. Head all the way back and the eyes closed. It's lovely, and again. Just swap the feet around. Let's see if there's a difference. I think this is a slimmer bottom. Yeah, it is. There you go. Can you actually bring the hands up to almost touch the shoulders from the leaning pose? I just want to give yourself a great back. Go again, do the same pose. Again, lean, push, 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 push. That is showing off her relax. That's really showing off the arch of the back there more and things really. I like that a lot. Let's come pretty square on to me again. So that's it, square in the middle. Okay, let's do the back one, so turn away from me. Do the same shot again. And let's lean with your arm onto your left side there. And just get that foot up on, oh, I like that, okay. Looking right for me. Looking right in Wales, I don't want to say it. And again, let's get that foot up there on the top, can we? Or into a lower shelf, or the whatever shelf is good for you. Yeah, let's do it again. Bring the hand up towards the hair again. Can you get up onto that top for me? I think it's better when you're actually at the profile position. Oh, I like that. Let's do that. Great. Relax. Nice. So let's sit down, and basically with your back against the unit, it will move, so be careful. That's lovely. Let's do the crouch. So bury the head for me again, leaning forward. That's lovely. Love it. Can you put the hands onto the unit just to the head? That's lovely there. And again, go into a kneel. One knee down, one knee, one knee, one knee. That's it. Bury the head. Swap knees. Just love it. Again. Let's bring the hands off the actual unit and hold the leg. Hold the leg. That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. And again. Okay. Let's sit down with your back against there. Try and get the feet up onto this unit here, yeah? Sit down. Take all the weight on the hands. Get a foot up towards the unit. Yeah, that's it. Keep it. Raise the chin back. It's lovely. And again. Can you stretch up to grab the top of the other unit here? That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. Put one foot down the floor. Look away. Drop the left hand. Drop the right hand. That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. And again. Raise the chin more, darling. Cool. Can you lay on your back there? If you just push this unit in a little bit more, but bring it into you. That's it, well. Lay on, which is the easiest one, to put the feet up there, vertically, or that one, this one. Yeah, so turn around. Upwards, yeah, fully. It's a good job you go to the gym, isn't it? Okay, that's lovely. Let's do that. Hands up onto the unit. That's lovely. Let's do it. Raise the chin back more. Lower this left hand down for me so I can see the fit. That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. Bend one of the legs. Lovely. Raise the chin up more. Raise the other hand down a touch. No, other one. Lower a little bit. There you go. That's lovely. Let's do it. And again. Bend this foot down lower if you can. That's lovely. And again. Great shot. Wow, what you can do with just legs. Very good. Thank you, Olivia. I'll leave you down there to recover for the next 2 or 3 minutes.